Hi everyone, Sunshine Annie here. This is the DIY composition planner that I'm working on for this year. I can't believe we're this far into December and we're this close to Christmas. This is last week's layout. I decided to do a double page middle section, and I'm kind of using it as an advent calendar. I'm putting a sticker on for every day to count down. Some of them you can't see very well because they match the green. And I've continued these over here to match both sides. I did do a different edge this time because I wanted to use up my Christmas washi tapes, and I thought these ones are really cool to do something a little different. I've got everything pretty much done except for my dates on here. This past week it's been crazy. We decided that it was too quiet in the house. Along with losing my dog, my son and his fiance found a place and they moved out. So it made the house really quiet. My husband was really sad because the dog we lost was really attached to him. He was really attached to her. That was our Penny Pug. And so we ended up finding a puppy, another pug that is the same coloring as Penny. Not the same personality as Penny, but that's fine. So I'm just writing these dates on. I put the wrong date at the top. That should be the 16th, so I'll have to put something over that later and fix it. I hope you guys are, if you're doing Christmas shopping, that you're doing well. It's crazy around here. I hate leaving it till the end. So to fix this, I will glue a piece of paper over the top of it and rewrite it. But I will fix that later, and you can see that when I do my next week's one. I have not decided how I'm going to do this because December 17th will lead up to Christmas and I'll have my last countdown. So I think I may actually draw on this side, on the next one. So I'm adding stickers as I go. This is for today. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, that one's not quite as visible. So this week, today, we did shopping for groceries. Did some cleaning, laundry. Otherwise, it was a quiet day. Monday, regular work day. Menu item. We are doing a crock pot chicken recipe that we like. And rice. And then on Tuesday, we have I don't know what we're doing to eat, but we have an appointment. So it's our vet appointment for the new puppy. That's all I have for this week. I will be continuing to add these as my advent calendar countdown, just the ornaments. So that's what it's looking like this week. I'm hoping you guys are having, able to make it through this crazy season. Right now, we had a ton of snow last Monday, so that we had a snow day, which I don't remember us having a snow day this early. And we're now going to have rain. It's raining. There's no snow left. And we're supposed to get really bad winds here in New England and in Maine in particular. So we're looking at power outages and all those things. So stay safe, everyone. wherever you are. Bright blessings to you all, and thank you so much for watching and for liking and subscribing. I really appreciate you. Take care.